Welcome to our channel. Today we're making pork miso soup. It's a very common dish that Japanese people make at home. First, we'll slice the ginger, make sure to remove the skin and cut to about this size. Next is burdock root or gobo. First, cut in half in length, then slice them thin. Then cut and slice the carrot, daikon, radish, and mushroom to one bite size. Then mince green onion as garnish to add at the end. Cut the pork belly into one bite size, then place them in a bowl and add boiling water. Remove the foam from the pot, then drain the water. Next, make X-shaped cuts on the surface, then cut the konjac into one bite size. Then place them in a boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, we'll start the cooking process. First, heat the pan to medium heat, then add sesame oil. Add carrots, gobo, and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add pork belly and konjac and stir them lightly. Add 1 large teaspoon of sake and cook until there's no more sake in the pan. Then add ginger, daikon, mushrooms, then add water to fill up the pot. Wait till the daikon's radish is soft, and while you wait, remove the foam from the pot. Next, we're going to add dashi pack. You can buy dashi pack in an Asian supermarket or a Japanese supermarket. We use kombu, which is a seaweed-based dashi. Add them in a pot, then wait for 5 minutes. As the final process, we're going to add miso to our soup. To add miso, first take 1 to 2 teaspoons of miso into a separate bowl and add soup from the pot to let the miso melt. Once it's melted, add the miso to the soup and mix it well. Make sure you're cooking in low heat so that the soup is not being boiled. There, pork miso soup is ready.